Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Bosch power tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch GSA18V083B Compact Reciprocating Saw. The Bosch GSA18V083B 18 volts Compact Reciprocating Saw, bare tool, is a lightweight and compact saw designed for easy overhead work and use in tight workspaces. With its optimized 0.83 in stroke, it efficiently cuts both wood and metal. The LED light provides helpful illumination of the cutting zone, while the toolless blade change system allows for quick and effortless blade changes. The efficient motor delivers a best-in-class power-to-weight ratio, and the ergonomic soft grip handle offers a sure grip. The switch lock helps prevent unwanted starts for additional security, and the variable speed trigger allows for easing into the cut. This Bosch reciprocating saw is covered by a 5-year limited warranty. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bosch GSR12V140FCB22 Cordless Electric Screwdriver Kit. The Bosch GSR12V140FCB22 Cordless Electric Screwdriver 12 volts kit is a versatile 5-in-1 multi-head power drill set that offers outstanding versatility in a compact, high-quality package. It includes a locking bit holder, a keyless chuck, an offset angle, and a right angle attachment, all easily attachable with the one-click interface. The keyless chuck attachment provides locked-in drilling for difficult materials, while the LED light and afterglow function effectively illuminate dark work areas. The kit also offers secure and adjustable features with the locking bit holder attachment and the right angle attachment designed for tight workspaces. The offset angle attachment provides precise screw driving close to edges. Overall, the Bosch GSR12V140FCB22 Cordless Electric Screwdriver 12 volts kit is a powerful, convenient, and versatile tool for various drilling and driving tasks. At number 3, we have the Bosch Power Tools Replacement Part 2,607,950,007 Chuck Key. The Bosch Power Tools Replacement Part 2,607,950,007 Chuck Key is a high-quality replacement part for your power drill. With its perfect fit and superior quality, it outperforms the original chuck key. Measuring at 1.50 L x 1.50 W x 4.25 H, it is designed to meet the specifications of various Bosch power tools. This replacement part has received positive reviews from customers, praising its accuracy and compatibility. It is easy to attach and provides a secure grip, ensuring efficient operation. However, some users have reported worn or damaged teeth on the key. Be sure to check the part number required for compatibility. Overall, this Bosch chuck key is a reliable replacement option for your power drill. At number 2, we have the Bosch Electric Orbital Sander and Polisher. The Bosch Power Tools Get 75-6N Electric Orbital Sander is a powerful and versatile tool that provides 2 sanding modes for woodworking, polishing, and carpentry. With a 7.5 amp variable speed motor, it offers flexibility and fast, smooth finishes on various surfaces. The sander also features a passive dust collection system and includes multiple accessories for convenience. Whether you need to remove stock or achieve fine finishing, this sander has got you covered. It is highly praised by customers for its efficiency, time-saving capabilities, and superior performance compared to other brands. If you're looking for reliable and efficient orbital sander, the Bosch Power Tools Get 75-6N is a top choice. And finally at number 1, we have the Bosch Gop1 V28N 18 volts EC Brushless StarlockPlus Oscillating Multi. The Bosch Gop1 8V28N 18 volts EC Brushless StarlockPlus Oscillating Multi-Tool Bare Tool is a powerful cordless tool that offers multi-tool versatility. It features the StarlockPlus 3D tool accessory interface for a superior grip and greater torque transfer. With its EC brushless 18 volts motor technology, it provides up to 30% more power and better efficiency than previous generation motors. The variable speed dial allows for precise adjustment from 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute. This tool is compatible with all StarLock and StarlockPlus accessories, making it highly versatile. Despite being cordless, it delivers corded-like performance and is perfect for a variety of tasks including flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, and grinding. It comes with a 1-1/4 inch plunge blade and an accessory box. Overall, the Bosch Gop1 8V28N receives a high rating of 4.75 from customers. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.